Psalms, and spiritual songs. We ask you, Lord, to give your grace to these your servants, so that they may, through the labor of substance, enter in your holy church and sing to you with hymn chants and the spiritual songs, chanting from their hearts to the Lord.
Lord, have mercy. Lord, have mercy. Lord, have mercy.
O our God, who commanded us through the prophet saints, now saying, sing to the Lord a new song, and the praise to the Lord, for the psalm is good. Saying, let praise be sweet to our God. Ask you, O Lord, to grant your servant the grace of praise and chanting in your holy church. Grant them the ability to chant without understanding, so that they may chant to you from the lips of their hearts in the spirit of prayer and worship. Grant that they may serve you with their hearts and mouths and hands, and accept their chants and the sweet Savior blessings before you. Remove from them the spirit of the bride, boasting and the love of vainglory. May